One thing I try and do is try and understand other angles of a debate or an issue as much as I can, and I understand that there are some people who would feel that way and believe that marriage is for heterosexual people or straight people and for procreation and all of these type of things, and I respect that view. But I mean, clearly all of the polls suggest that the type of view that I believe marriage can be about, which is about affording every citizen, regardless of their sexuality, that constitutional protection that marriage offers under the Constitution to everybody. And I respect that some people have a different view to me. I find it difficult at times to believe that every single person opposing this, that the arguments that everyone uses are as legitimate as what they say, but I have to take people at face value. I have to respect that they may feel different about the issue than I do.
Do you think they have a kind of an ulterior motive or an underhand agenda or something like that?
No, I don't think there's an underhanded agenda, but I do think look, there are some people who will take a little bit longer to come around to the issue of what we're trying to put forward, which is equality. And I look at my own mother. 5 years ago, I think the whole concept of, the fact that gay or lesbian people, could one day marry, she would have thought that was a little bit unusual. But she came from a different era, and she's come around to the issue that, look, why shouldn't my son or people like my son or somebody else's son or daughter have the same rights as all their other sons and daughters?